Hey guys, Chinook Double here, and welcome to another one-up boxing video. First of all, we're going to be starting with a t-shirt. I'm going to take a look at this first. Look. It's Adventure Time, guys. You know, Adventure Time was actually like one of my favorite shows back then. Next up we have the, never seen this character before. This is Selina Kyle, or Selina Kyle. Next up we have a... Oh, guys, anyways, I meant to say this in the beginning, but I totally forgot. The theme for February 2018 is Buddies. So I think that's why I'm getting, like, stuff, like, from Adventure Time and stuff, so, which is pretty neat. Because, like, Adventure Time used to be my favorite show. I mean, like, I used to watch it. It was really good. Alright, so let's see. So we got a one-up box exclusive. Oh, it's a wristband. Nice. It's a Jake wristband. Nice. Yeah, so it's definitely a bracelet. I mean, wristband. Alright, next up we have a... Oh my god. Guys, look. A Jake mask. Oh, it's a sleeping mask. But with Jake in it. So I'm just gonna try this on to see what you guys think. What do you guys think? Do I look weird? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Sorry. Okay, next up we have a... Oh, that's cute. Guys, look. It's like a big sticker of Lilo and Stitch. If you guys don't know what Lilo and Stitch is, it's technically like this movie. Like, they made some movies. I think they made like Lilo and Stitch and Lilo and Stitch 2, Leroy and Stitch, Stitch the movie. I think they made like 4 of those, and I don't know if they made Lilo and Stitch into a TV show, but you know. And then we got the pin for this month, which is Buddies. And then we got the info. Selina Kyle. The female thief Selina Kyle joins the club. She is ready to make new friends, but can't break her habit. Bring extra charm to your life with this figure. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, I'll open this after the video, and then I'll put it over there along with my other 3 ones that I got. Buddies decal, or whatever you say. 2 of your favorite characters in decal form. This is what true friendship is. Is this like a sticker or something? I have no idea. And then next we got the magical dog bracelet, which is Jake. Hang on, let me take this off. There we go. Magical dog bracelet. Get this to your friend or wear it to yourself. The magical dog will help you do the rest, whatever that may be. Okay. Yeah, so that's the dog bracelet. And next up we got the stretchy dog eye mask, which is technically Jake. Can't sleep at night? This eye mask will knock the sleep out of you. Well, yeah, give you less nightmares. And last but not least, we got the t-shirt, which the theme of the t-shirt is befriending. I'm just gonna take a look at it one more time. The buddies are looking for a new friend. Upon their adventure, they stumble upon a cat lady. Will she be their friend? Yeah, cat lady. It must be Princess Bubblegum. But, you know. Okay, guys, so that's definitely all you guys gotta know for this month. So yeah, and that's also gotta do it for this month and the second episode of the second season for One Up Box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are wondering, I may not do this for 12 years. Well, I might do this for 12 years, but I may do this for like a couple years and then just stop. But I don't know. I'm gonna do it as long as I want. So yeah, guys. So the One Up Box Like I've been doing one-up boxes ever since August 2017, and I have really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next month for March's 2018's one-up box. And yeah, so I'll see you guys then. Later, guys.